I have this message for parents. You never know that your kid would be the one who will do wonders and create history. You never know. Being an artist, you can start earning at the age of 16, 17 and continue, and which is a lot better than being a doctor and starting to earn at the age of 30, isn't
30.
it?
Hello everyone. So today Shifa Nazi is here. She is doing interior designing from Symbiosis College, as well as she is doing lots of stuff in art field. So I request Shifa to introduce yourself, please.
Hi everybody, my name is Shifa Naz. I'm from Aurangabad. I've done my schooling from Cambridge and I've done 11th and 12th from Stepping Stones High School. I am currently in the foundation year of Interior Space and Design, which is a 4-year degree course from Symbiosis Institute of Design, Pune. Yeah.
That's great. So you're doing lots of stuff. We are going to talk about all that today. How you started your journey, like in school time only, or you're doing it from childhood, or recently
No,
start?
actually, my story is quite different from the stories that you normally get to hear. Uh,
Like to hear that.
I don't have a story saying I've been painting or drawing since the age of 5 or something like that. I developed this interest after giving my 12th board exam. So, so after my 12th exam, when I came to the point where I had to decide which career and which field to go for, so that time I was
Okay.
looking for different courses. I wasn't very sure of what I'll be doing. I wasn't very sure. So then I started looking for courses, and somewhere at the back of my head, I had this thing that why not go in a creative field. So that
Okay.
I had in mind. But then me and my brother were looking for different courses, and then he was like, "Why are you so confused? Like, why? What is that one thing that really interests you?" So I thought to myself, like, yeah, यार वो क्या है वो या क्या करना क्या है मेरे को. So that time I started looking for designing fields and everything. I started reading about it,
Okay.
and then I was in contact with few of my friends, and that is when I got your contact. Yeah.
Yes.
So that is when I thought, okay, let's go and talk to sir once. So I came, and then I developed interest. The way you talked about the field, the scope that I had in this field, that really interested me. And yeah, that is how I thought of doing what I'm doing right now.
But really to say, like in so short time, right now you're in first year only, right? But
Yeah,
within 1 year, you have done the great things in art field and doing lots of things, right? So
the
I'm
credit goes to you, sir.
no, no,
Yeah.
but it's
I
not like
can
that.
never
Yeah,
thank you enough for it.
it's all your efforts and hard work actually. So, so what are the stuff you are doing right now? Can you tell about that, or how you exactly started? The you have a one Instagram page, right? It's
Yeah,
named
I do.
yeah, yeah. So can you tell about your Insta page first? Because
Okay,
yeah,
I'd like
and
to start with the journey of how I started it.
exactly,
Started
exactly.
with it. So exactly 1 year from now, this time last year when we had our first lockdown, that is when I had a lot of time in my hand. So I thought I didn't have anything to do, like my college didn't start. So I had a lot of time. So I thought of creating an Insta handle where I could just post random paintings and random art stuff, random customizations that I do to random things lying around. So that is where I created an Instagram handle where I was posting my paintings, my canvas, my customizations, and I got a very nice response from my colleagues, my friends, my family. Like they were very supportive, and that encouraged me to do more of this stuff. So while I was posting my things, I got a message from a random person saying, "I want my shoes to be customized by you. So can you do it?" So I was like, he was ready to pay me. So that
That's
is
great.
when I thought, yeah, why don't I do this? Why don't I like
Exactly.
do such stuff? So that I didn't respond to him then and there. I was like afraid, of course. Like, what if I mess up with his shoes? So I didn't respond to him. I was like, no, I don't take orders as of now, but I'll surely inform you once I do.
Okay.
So me and my best friend were sitting, and I told her about my best friend is Namira. So me and my best friend were sitting and having a chat that look, a random person just texted me out of nowhere saying if he wanted his shoes to be customized. So she was like, yeah, let's do something, na. Why don't you take orders for this, and we'll think about और भी कुछ जिससे हम एक small business start कर सके.
That's great.
And me and my best friend, like, we always wanted to do something together.
Okay.
So she is nowhere related to art field, but seeing me posting canvases and my pictures and my customization, she also developed interest in this thing. So
Okay.
she was like, I'll also do it with you. And I was like, sure, we can do it both together.
So right now you both are doing together, right?
Yeah,
This thing.
both
Okay.
are doing. Our Instagram handle's name is NS Art. So
Okay.
stands for Namira, and S stands for Shifa.
Okay. That's the
Yeah.
yeah, great.
So one by one, we started launching our products, and we got a really great response. Then one by one, we launched like different and new products. Then it was not all of the ideas were not ours. We were
Okay.
getting in contact with the different people who were asking us to do stuff. So we were up for anything, like any customization. So when people used to reach us, we used to post it on our Instagram handle, and then from seeing from there, people used to order more. So
Okay.
that is what the story is. So
That's
people
great.
were demanding for fluid art kits, so we launched that. They were demanding for hand casting kits, so we did that. Resin trays and
Okay.
clock customizations, and many such things.
So all these ideas come from exactly you from your both mind, right? Or
Yeah, yeah.
some
We
stuffs
do
come
it
from
both.
other sources also.
We take some picture references, like
Okay.
some Pinterest references. We ask the customers what they have
They
in
want
mind, and we do
exactly.
it accordingly.
So it's like
Yeah,
it's basically it's a complete customization, customized gift
right.
we can say, right?
Exactly how you want. We make exactly how the customer wants it
Right.
to be done.
That's great. So customer might be you must got many good reviews only, right? Till the date, all customers
Yeah,
are satisfied with the
yeah.
work.
Yeah. Most of
Okay.
them are very happy with our work, and we've been sending our products to pan India now.
Okay. That's great.
So
So
in just a span of 6 months, we've got a customer base of more than 500 people.
great, great. So you are creating good revenue right now in first year only, right?
First
So
year.
yeah, actually you are still not completed your graduation also.
So, to be
So
honest, I didn't even see my campus yet. I don't know how it looks.
yeah, everything is online due to this COVID
Yeah,
now, so
because of
that's
this
why.
lockdown thing,
Yes,
I
yes.
couldn't.
Great, great, great things are coming up. Like, uh,
True.
what's your parents respond on all this stuff? Like, I know you are from the business family, and so how they
Yeah.
respond exactly for all this stuff? Did they help or
My
initially?
Yeah, yeah. To be honest, I've been very fortunate enough. in this case, because my parents have always been very, very supportive.
Okay.
They were like, do whatever you want to do. You should go for doing what interests you the most. So
Okay.
in that case, I have never had a conflict with my parents saying I want to do this and they were denying me. So it has never been that case for me. They've always been supportive. My brothers, my sister, my parents, like everybody has been supportive.
That's great. So, right now college is going on. So, are they giving assignments at home or what? It's how it's working right now? How you're doing college work also, or only you're focusing on your Insta handle page and all?
No, no, no. I am fully focused on like I give my priority to the college first,
Okay.
and then I like my best friend is with me, right?
Okay.
So she is she has been a great support in this case, because when I am doing my assignments, she is the one who handles the other stuff. So
So,
if at all I get a lot of work, so she is the one who helps me.
so how many people are there right now working with you? Like you both are
We
doing only, or there are
are
more people?
No, no, it's just the two of us.
Okay, so but soon you need to increase the people
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
Yeah, as I am seeing that nowadays, it's you are getting
yeah.
lots of
But
good response.
it's getting a lot hectic nowadays because
Right,
we are not being able to manage. Need more people now. We'll be needing more of
exactly.
them.
I must say you should be do that in system and process like proper everything that all the
Yes,
things needed, right?
yeah. We have a lot of plan.
Okay. One more thing, like so many your videos got viral, reels viral on Insta page, right? Still you don't have a website, but on Insta you are nowadays very famous. So how that happened exactly? What you have done for that all things? So people will because I have seen many artists who is doing lots of good stuff, posting also, but
Yeah.
somehow they won't reach till the more public. So what you have done differently so others can take benefit of that thing and use those tricks we can say.
Yeah, actually, sir, I would say I am blessed enough to have friends who support me. So every time I used to post something, my friends used to share it with their friends, and that's
Okay,
how I got a lot of engagement on my page. So
okay,
I would really appreciate my friends, my family, and everyone. And also, Instagram has this algorithm,
okay,
so if you read about it, you got to post very frequently. Like at least have to post thrice a week.
okay,
So if you see at the very early stage, I didn't have that kind of engagement.
right,
So you got to use nice hashtags for your videos,
okay,
so that is how it got viral. And one of my hand casting video that got viral and has about 1,50,000 views right now.
great, great, great,
So that went viral, and because of that video going viral, I got like around more than 100 orders in just a month. It was
okay.
that was very
That's a
crazy
great,
for me.
great thing.
Yeah, my Instagram handle wouldn't stop beeping. In those 7 to 8 days that went viral, it was
Okay,
just ringing. It bombarded with messages and
notifications.
notifications.
Okay. So it means all friends and family has to support all new businesses those are
that
doing, right?
that
So
is very, very
very
important.
important. Yeah. So people note that thing. That
I
will
wouldn't
that is going to help for every artist and everyone those are starting something
true,
new in
true,
their life, right?
true.
So great.
It wouldn't have been possible if it weren't with my family and friends.
Exactly. So, what's your next plan now for regarding this business, or in future, what you are seeing yourself? Are you planning to do in interior field only, or you want to do with this business also?
No, definitely I'll be taking this like since I've been getting a nice response on this. I'll definitely try to take it on a larger scale. and also pursue my 4-year degree course. Like I won't leave it. I'll do it side by side. I want to pursue interior designing and styling too, and
Okay,
like side by side, I'll also be focusing on this business. So
that's
that is what my plan is for now.
great, great. But when you look for yourself after 4 year, 5 years after completing degree, where you look for yourself, like as a business person in art field or as an interior designer.
So how would I say both of them?
Okay,
I'll also have business and I'll also style home for people.
great, great. That's a great answer. So
Yep,
anything,
that is what is very beautiful about being in a creative field. You
yeah.
don't restrict yourself to only one thing. You can do multiple things
Multiple
at one
things,
time.
yeah, yes. So you can do paintings also, you can do lots of stuff related to the craft also,
True,
and
true.
you can pursue your degree like interior or whatever you want in designing field. Once you enter in this art field, you can do anything, right?
Yeah, true, true.
First, you have to take the initiative to do something and start, right?
Right, right.
Yes. Anything else would you like to share with us?
I have this message for parents. One message for parents,
Right.
that let your kid do what interests him or her the most. So I know this art field and creative fields are very underestimated and very underrated fields for now, but it definitely holds a lot of scope and demand in the coming years.
Exactly.
So yeah, so let your kid do, and don't wait for some other person's success story to let your kid do what him or her wants to do.
Right.
You never know that your kid would be the one who will do wonders and create history. You never know. So yeah,
Very true.
that is one thing that I would like to share to parents.
Great, great, Shifa. Any statistics like how much scope is there in terms
There's
of financial?
Yeah, that is what na. I just said that once you get in this creative field, then you don't only restrict yourself to one particular
Right.
thing. You can do multiple things together.
Yeah.
You can have your own small business or a large business. You can do styling. You can create portraits and
Right.
canvases of yourself and make like
Like
put it
I must
in
say, like
exhibition.
once you enter in the field and started working on yourself as well as started something stuff for the people's need, then I think college and all other expenses easily can cover up with your own by there is no parents help like other field, right? To
True.
support
I,
them, yeah.
I've seen a lot of people comparing it with engineers and doctors.
Medicals, exactly. We
Yeah,
had recently talked with Sharvil and Rutika, that is posted
yeah,
already.
yeah. I saw that. That is the reason I
Yes,
wanted to share that being an artist, you can start earning at the age of 16, 17, and continue, and which is a lot like,
exactly.
better than being a doctor and starting to earn at the age of 30, isn't
30,
it?
right? Yeah, that's very true. So even not even 16, Shifa. I must say
Yeah.
there are so many kids on. You can easily search on YouTube. I have seen those
Mhm.
are even 5, 6 year old children. Those are doing paintings, abstract and canvas and all, and they're exhibiting it and they are selling in lakhs and crores. You know,
That
yeah. So that is easily possible, but people very underestimate this field. And main important is initially parent support needed for the kids to start
true,
something, and they should give the proper timing also for the art field, right?
true, true.
That's great. It was a great takeaways for everyone. Anything more you'd like to share with us?
I would say I would encourage all of the viewers that are watching to get, if you're interested, if you're really interested in this field, then you should go ahead. You shouldn't have second thoughts about it, because I have seen many engineers have ending up with no jobs. Okay,
Right.
so if you are really passionate about the field, that you're going into, then you'll do great. Don't worry about yourself, just have faith, and yeah, that's it.
That's
You'll do great.
great. Thank you so much, Shifaji. Here on a screen, Shifa's Insta page is there, and you can follow her over there. So please follow. Can you
Yeah,
please
people,
repeat it?
please do it. It's @the rate underscore ns underscore art.
Yeah, I'm
Uh,
sharing this on screen. You can see on the screen also.
yeah.
Great talk with you, Shifa. Thank you
Thank you
so
so much,
much.
sir.
Yes, my pleasure. Thank
I
you.
would I would like to thank you for everything, sir. I am doing what I'm doing because of you. Because I was someone who didn't even know how to hold a pencil right. So you were the one who taught me how to, like, from the base, from the
It's
scratch. You were
all
there.
your efforts, beta. It's all our efforts. All your efforts. It's not me who has done anything. It's totally depend on students how they take it.
Yeah, true, true, true.
Yes. Chalo. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thanks.
Yes. Yes. Bye.